it's just like it takes two. What? What is?
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Come on, Ben, get your ass over here.
I'm coming with it. I'm coming.
Get in.
Run your little ass. Run your little ass. Jump. Dash. Oh my god, there's blood.
My bad.
You know, like trolls kind of have like a big. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe that's why.
Yikes, you weird me out.
Yo. My god, this is weirdly intense, bro. Oh my lord. Whee! So, welcome back. This is gonna be the second part of my split fiction video. I said I would continue it if we get 25 views, and holy smokes, man, we blew that out of the park. Before we get started, I just want to give a huge shout out to this guy right here. He commented so much on my last video, and it was really fun to like see all his comments, you know, reply to it. And I wanted to say thank you so much for the support. Like, this really means a lot to me, and it's kind of cool just seeing you, you know, support me throughout my journey. So without further ado, if this video made you smile or laugh, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And lastly, if this video gets, let's say, 30 views, I will definitely continue this series. And so go grab your snacks and relax, and of course enjoy the video. I don't know. I say we go in.
I say we keep going.
No, come in right now, boy.
Well, I want to see. Let's just see what's up ahead.
No. Come back in. Come back in. I'm gonna whip you. I'm gonna whip you, bro. Swear to God, I'm gonna whip you. Okay, we should have never done that. My fault. That was my bad. Wait a minute. We should have done what you said.
Yeah.
Kind of idea.
Wait.
Okay.
All right, I'm jumping in.
It's just stealing all of our stories, but our
Oh.
unfinished ideas as well. Yeah, this is bad.
Okay.
Okay. I'm a little scared
Interesting
myself. I'm not
concept
gonna
you got
lie.
going
They
on.
don't look friendly. Yeah, those are dead.
What do you mean? What do you mean by those are dead?
Who killed them, you know? Clearly it wasn't
What-
us.
Are you implying that there are sharks that are
Are we in
alive?
a dome? We're in a dome.
Now,
What is that? Oh
The
my.
fucking Persian Empire?
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Oh, we're in an hourglass, women. Sands of
Oh.
time? That is so cool. Okay, that is not cool though. That is not cool. Okay. Go. Go, women, go. Nice.
Are you ready?
Oh my god. Clearly not.
Damn. Are you ready?
Yep, go. Women. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did it. Okay.
Oh.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, this is cool, bro. Dude, I love these type of games, bro. Their concept is insane.
Ready?
Yep. Oh my god, I'm not gonna make it. Oh my god, I'm not gonna make it. Oh my god, I made it. Oh my god, I made it. Okay. Oh my god, what is this? Oh
boy.
my lord, oh boy.
through fishies, I must say,
Okay.
Whoa!
This is
for
crazy.
everything we created, we'd better prepare for surprises. Indeed.
I was not okay. I repeat, I was not okay. Oh?
And what about the sharks then? I haven't figured that out.
Okay, so you just added sharks just for the hell of it. Great.
Yeah, you
Great,
did that.
bro. Yeah, yes, I know I did that, bro. Like, what do you want?
Yes, I mean, it's an interesting concept. You definitely could have gotten something going here.
Really? Like what? Time sharks?
Yeah. I don't
Like,
know,
wow,
bro. You
bro.
clearly were onto something.
What was I on to? Time shark with sand?
You were on f***ing shrooms, that's for sure.
Got a plan to get us across? Yeah. Jump.
Great. Oh, we're back.
We're back.
Wait, what did that do?
Wait, are we back in your story again? Yeah.
There we go.
Exact same spot that we left from.
Oh,
Guess that was a interesting little side mission.
yeah. But what did that do?
Oh.
Can you make that?
I definitely can. I definitely can.
Alright. Let's go! Wayman, good shit. Now help me. Stop. You already made it. You already made it. LeBron James, you already made it. Help me. Help me.
Where are you? Oh,
Help me. Help me, please. Please. Told you. Watch this, Wayman. Watch this from all the way up here. Hurry! Did that one?
missed.
I think I missed.
I think you missed.
Watch this, again, watch. Watch this. I'm Curry, bro, watch this. Go back again. Stop.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
You know where it went. Shut up. Watch this. Dude, I'm too far. I'm way too far.
Oh. There you go.
I didn't catch that.
God, he's so sick at this.
Jeez. Surely I'm making like here, right?
What was that noise?
Didn't expect that.
What was that noise?
You said it again.
I think you're done with the ball.
Can I? No, I needed to destroy this. Oh my god, I almost been doing. I suck at this game, bro. Jesus Christ, man. This is kind of scaring me a little. I don't like trains. No. Wait a minute. What? Okay, don't do that.
Yeah. Where?
On our left. Go now. Oh my god. Wait. Oh jeez.
We do not go there.
I don't know where to
Nah, there's no.
I don't know where to go. Oh, over here on the left side. Go. I don't know where to go. Oh my. I'm dead.
You died.
What are we supposed to do? Women?
Right.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Lord have mercy. Women? Jesus, can I have my soul, bro? What the?
Exactly. All you
Yeah.
know is that we gotta take her out in order to liberate the city. Yeah, I got that part, but what's she like? She's a ruthless psychopath who kills for fun. Sounds like a real gem.
God, I'm such an edgelord. Ugh.
What the heck? This is Cyber City, bro. There's no way.
Wow.
What the cat dragged in.
No.
Are you finally here to pay your debt?
You're not getting shit.
I decide when your shit is paid. And until the mortgage is secured, your ass will
Wait, is that her?
to me.
Is that her? That's her landlord.
No, don't mind her. I just wrote her as a flat, greedy villain. The
That makes sense.
oddly specific, though.
Say
Exactly.
hello to Mr. Ham.
Huh? I don't like Mr. Hammer.
I fucking missed it.
Yeah, hello, Mr.
Nice.
Hammer. I don't like him.
He looks nice.
Oh no. What do you mean bring it up? Oh no.
I'm going to eat his ass up.
It's hammer time.
Oh, he can fly. This might be pretty difficult.
Jesus Christ. Oh, it's a boss battle. Oh my god. Whip it. Whip him. I can't whip him. Whip him. Wait, can I grab his? Oh my god. I'm dead. Women survive, please. Oh my god. Grab. Where is he? I
don't see him. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Oos.
Run. 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 Run.
This is after you and not me.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ah.
What is he doing? Oh, jump. Ready? Jump again. Jump again. I need you right now, please. Grab that. Get that shit. Nice. Give me that.
Yeah. You like that? You like this? Remember the bat?
Clobbering time, baby. It's clobbering time. Huh?
Wow. Oh boy.
Oh boy. Great.
They really are little.
Wait.
Okay.
Women, where are you, women? I got you. Get him, women. Whip him. Women, I need your help. Please. Try to help you. Oh, was it? Mr. Hammer? Oh my god. Uh-oh. Oh, get ready to dodge it. What is happening? Women is attacking me, women. Women, it will attack you this time. Nice.
It's down.
It's hammer time. Boink. Bonk. 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 Uh-oh.
Boom.
Oh my god.
Not for real.
Oh my god. I'm about to die, bro. I'm about to die. Exactly. Shut up, man. Shut up. Uh-oh. Can I go under? No, I cannot. No, I cannot. Women, you need to survive, please. You need to survive, women. Alright, I'm back. Get him, women. Whip him. Whip him. Nice. It's
You have the whip.
hammer
Oh,
time. It's hammer time. I got you. Get him, women.
Got him.
Damn.
Boom. Yes, sir. Ooh, bitch. Good assist, Darker. Good assist.
Oh, what's that? Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god.
Oh.
That was me.
Oh.
I didn't know that was me.
I can't see myself.
Well, we're kind of glowing purple and green, you know? Oh my god, wait a minute, why did you tell me to do this? Why did you...
Okay, no, I'll never forget you.
Fuck no, there's no way. You need me.
Oh, you're back?
Yeah, I'm back. Push, girl power.
Girl power. Oh, I don't think girl power is enough. Oh, we did it! With the power of teamwork.
Why not use my whip to like redirect that? I don't know, man.
Oh my god, them and these cheesy ass
Yeah.
one-liners.
God damn. What kind of? Huh. Better be some interesting side story, bro. Ooh.
Will you be mine? Oh
No.
no, don't tell me.
No.
Unexpected. Zoe, what am I? Wait, no, am I?
We're pigs.
We're just pigs.
We're pigs, women.
Just pigs?
Oh my god, it's literally you.
Okay, shut It's you two, bro. It's you two. It's not me anymore.
think I'm gonna have a
Wait, I can stretch? Oh my god.
You'll warm up to your super pig powers in no time.
What am I playing?
Spark fly?
I can do this.
Magical ring.
Yeah, I'll see your chest later.
What is it?
Man, I'm going home. I'll see your ass later.
This game, I can't, bro. What is going on, bro? Why am I a pig that can stretch and you use your fart to fly? What is going on, bro? I can't, bro. Oh my god. Dude, what the f is wrong with my ideas, bro? I have such shitty ideas, man. I hate that.
I love it so much.
I hate that it has rainbow coming out of it. Hey,
How do I get up there?
jump up, yeah.
There we go.
You know, every time you make a farting sound, my controller vibrates.
Could get used to being a pig.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, will it though?
Jump, jump, jump.
Yeah, go fly. Yep, here we go.
Fire game, bro. Fire game.
No, game of the year, game of the year.
Oh god. Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Oh my god!
Hell, Zoe. Oh god. I know.
Game of the year! Game of the year! Game of the year!
Why don't I
Game of the year!
What are we doing, bro? What? Are you cooking yourself? We're cooking ourselves.
all kind of nice, but flag grilled
Oh my god, we're
Oh
cooking
yeah!
ourselves.
Oh yeah!
Oh my god. Oh, you want ketchup? Oh,
Yeah, I'm more of a ketchup guy.
I'll put
Oh,
some
oh, yeah,
mustard.
Oh, yeah, I got you, I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, there we go. Can you give me some ketchup too? Can you give me some ketchup too?
Oh, you want that? Oh,
Yeah,
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 actually.
yeah, there we go. Chef's kiss, bro. Oh, you
I'm
want
more of a
ketchup?
ketchup. I'm only
only
of a
ketchup.
only-
All right, boy.
like mustard, but hit me up.
This is crazy, bro. What are we playing? Oh,
Oh,
Wait,